Okay, so I forgot to put a window in this wall back at day 6 probably. So here we are. I've actually done a whole bunch of it already. Tore all the studs out, put the 3 studs with the cripple in. So I'm just going to put the header on right now with you, and then it'll be into time lapse. Good morning. Okay. $65. So there's a round window right here. So I got to find the center of this rough opening, RO. So I'm just trying to find the 2 edges of it. This rough opening is 40 1/4, which tells me the radius is 40 1/4. The radius is 20 1/8. So we'll come over now from this edge, 20 1/8. Come up from the bottom. I got it marked ready, 20 1/8. Redo this. 20 1/8. Okay. So that's the center. It's the exact center of the RO. Punch a nail in. We'll go 20 1/8. So we'll follow 20 1/8 round. tricky. Oh, look like I came off. Again, just keep your pencil on 20 1/8. Oops. Oh, looks good. Do a little guesstimating here. Okay, so I have the circle. Now I know a lot of people would use a skill saw. I'm not that guy. I don't know why. I'm this guy. Time out. My battery's dying. Actually, no, we're gonna go till it's dead. I got a bad feeling about my RO. Okay, time out. Time in. Something tells me I'm an 1.5 inches out on my RO. Yep. Okay, so I actually got to take this much of this seal out. Awesome. No, there's no header there. Good. Okay. So now we have okay, now I need to get these nails cut. Okay, so that's that mess. Now I continue the circle. I'd like to tell you I planned that, but that's just not true. So now for nailing, I can hit this. I'll have to put a staple of block in here, and then I'm going to do 45s. 12s or 13. Let's try 13. Okay. So I've cut some pieces already off when the camera wasn't on, and I think it's all fitting. Okay, so here's all the pieces. So this guy will go right here. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Okay, fun. Open it up. Right there. This one will go here. This guy will stay right there. This gives me more to nail the flange to of the window as well. If that makes sense. So now this has to go here. Rookies. Okay, so I'll just pop a couple staples in here, and we'll call that good. Alright, so this is what we've done today. We sheeted this wall. Remember the round window? This wall we sheeted. So hard to fit the camera anywhere near here because it's right up against the property line. But I started on this far side of the house. So I have framed in the door and the window, framed in this window, framed in this window, obviously this one, this one. Started on this guy, finish this one tomorrow. Just got to put the bottom in yet. Frame that up there for the round window. And then this will be my last window to do tomorrow. And then I can start sheeting the whole side. Thank you for watching. Kind of a dry video, but it's really hard to get any footage of this whole side of the house because there's no room. Bye for now.